video that I never wanted to make, never thought I'd have to make. Definitely not the first video that I thought I would make. Trying to start off in YouTube. I guess I already kind of started with YouTube, but I'm gonna try and take it a little more serious now and actually get into it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is my 95 F-150. It's got 300 inline six in it. It's got 6-inch lift on it. Got Bilsteins and Skyjacker soft ride coil springs and Tough Country radius arms. The back is they're like 5.5 inch blocks. Do not remember the company, but there they are. So when I got the truck, I took it down to the frame and sandblasted and painted it. As you can tell, it's pretty clean. Put new fenders on it and put the visor on it. There's that. And I really messed up the other night and I wrecked it. So yeah, I'm gonna start tearing it apart, and this is gonna be the YouTube video. So I'm just gonna start with the body for now, and suspension will come later. There's a radius arm. It's all bent up, and then I'm not gonna be able to get a real good shot of it, I don't think. Oh shit. So you can see here the twin I-beam is pretty bent up. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is. So that's gonna have to be fixed. But like I said, for now, I'm just gonna worry about the front end. So yeah, I guess go ahead and get into the video. I'm just gonna do this in a time lapse. It's nothing really special, but yeah, here's the before. I'll put in some pictures after this, show you what it looked like when I got it, and kind of the stages that I went through to get to where it was and where it's at now. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. What's up, guys? So camera died yesterday, or something happened with it. I'm not 100% sure what exactly happened to it, but I got it tore down pretty much to where it needs to be. Just need to take the radiator support off, but I'm gonna wait to do that till I start getting some more parts, so that I don't have to take the hood off. But yeah, so here she is. core support is junk. Just took a pretty hard hit, but like I said, we're gonna fix that, so it ain't too big of a deal. I was thinking the frame was bent, but I'm not too sure now. I think it looks like it might be alright. Where the bumper mount is bent, but we'll bend that back and it'll be alright. The hood, that's all good. Gonna need a fender liner, that ain't too big of a deal. Get that from the junkyard. And then we go down the suspension, which is what we're gonna be working on today. So still need to take the tire off, but like I said yesterday, that axle right there is bent, so it's gonna be what we're doing today, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up and get back to work. Alright, so I'm gonna have to bring home some more tools from work tomorrow and get the rest of this apart. I don't have stuff here at home to do it, so it's about as far as I'm gonna get with that. So just got the fender wall out and got the brake and shock off. Here is a shock. You can hear it's broke inside, but it's got a big ass dent in it right there, and the actual shaft is pretty well screwed. The mount broke down here. I'm gonna be able to see that with the bad lighting in here, but it is. So it's as far as we're gonna get with that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on the driver's side here. Get some of the stuff out of here. Probably just end up laying it up on the engine. But I need to get this fender well out, and yeah. Alright, so I think about as far as I'm going to get today. Just, like I said, took the fender liner out. Still got to pick up. Just toss the wiring harness up there. Took the ECU out. I thought my ECU was bad, so I put another one in it, and turns out that one wasn't any good, or that's not my problem. So I took the ECU off so it wouldn't just hang in there. Everything on this side is fine. I didn't get obliterated like the other side, so yeah, not too much to do over here. Just wanted to get the fender liner out so I had easier access to everything. Get the core support out. Like I said, on this side, the suspension, that's about it. Got everything out of here that I need out. Started taking out my rock lights. Just didn't really want to do the back. I don't have a creeper here right now, so gonna wait to do that. Yeah, so I think that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna go to the junkyard this weekend and get some stuff. Probably just gonna get like a fender and fender liners. Probably won't get a core support. I got a header panel. And yeah, see what all I can get. Thanks.